You know, I don't know what my kids did. I guess we're gonna run it without Zoom. Sorry, Zoom gang. I'm gonna run this for now without Zoom. Hop onto the YouTubes. So I was away, and my kids, well, my oldest one, she's not sure how to use the new setup or the new audio or anything. She just went on her thing and changed all the audio to what it used to be. And yeah, no, I get it. You guys hear great. My audio is fucked up. Something is like echoing, doubling, music's cracking. I'm getting weird beeps. I wasn't supposed to hear any system sounds. I'm hearing system sounds. So she's like, nah, everything you did, Dad. Nah, I'm going back to the old me. I need the old me. I got a reputation. Can't even spell reputation. Sounds good. Don't sound good in my headphones. Something is fucked up. I mean, something is seriously wrong. Good job. Oh man, so we pushed up. I couldn't even concentrate on any of this. It's like we're not even trading. Like WTF? Boom. Kind of established something here, right? 15's closed. Daily's bullish, but the 4 hours still bear. An hour and a half to go. Maybe it flips and starts coming up, which isn't something we'd want to see actually, because we still want the lows to be retested here. Because if we see the 4 hour flip and drive, we're flipping driving. You know what I mean? That's where it's creating new all-time highs, and then Mas waiting. How you say waiting in Spanish? Why Spanish? Why we always resort to Spanish? We got to start learning some French here. What's the most spoken language in the world? Is it Arabic or is it Mandarin? What's the most spoken language in the world? English? Is it really English? There's Americans that can't speak English. You know what I mean? Mandarin. I'm pretty sure it's Mandarin. I can get me a Mandarin right now. Shit's a delicious. Maybe even a tangerine. 1.5 billion. Did you Google that? I just Googled it. 1.2 Mandarins. Yeah. LOL. What about 1.5 English? Reginald Zoom. No, like my audio is fucked. I'm trying to get it all working, but it's cracking, and every time I change something, it's like I'm afraid to press the button and this shit's gonna go Habibi on me and explode. Straight up. Because like there were noises. You know what I mean? I'm gonna call in a bomb squad right now just to check this shit out. There were noises. Shit. It's I don't know. And it's usually running at like 32. Stream keeps buffering. I don't know if it's on my end. No, that's on your end. My stream ain't buffering. We all about the buffer. We all about the buffer. Unless something just got thrown off. When the live started, it started about an hour ago, and then we had to call it. No, it started like 45 minutes ago. Then we had to call it 10 minutes later because I was hearing noises, and they weren't ghosts. So we restarted, and then I was just hearing things. I had to restart again. And yeah, hopefully third time's the charm. Buffering on my end, like some shit is off. I still hear the cracking. Something's off in the OBS and in the settings. The settings. Fuck me, man. It's a 48 killers. I didn't change this. Wavelength stream, Elgato Explorer dock. That didn't change. Bitrate, yeah, nothing changed. This shit should be running. The only thing is this popping thing. Yo, is it me talking that's making it pop like that? No, that's the music. Hello? Yeah, that's me. So wait, we gotta, maybe that's me. My mic too loud right here. I think this is the sweet spot right here, right? How's it? You guys feel like that's the sweet spot? Oh, damn. So like, yeah, we gotta bring shit down here. Come on, Wix, get it together. This thing is doing weird things right now. These sounds, strange sounds. Wow, look at that 15. Who knew? It didn't look like it bottomed out. We had room to go. We got room. Mic is really low now. What about now? It's so weird because I raise it and it's booming in OBS and it's making it feel like if I was holding like a mic and you would point it to the speaker or something and go, it feels like chalk scraping across the board. Like if there's a sound I could do without, it would be that. Like, and no need for that to exist. Voice is gone, can barely hear you. Okay, I raised it right now. You guys should be hearing me pretty well. You get that feedback ring, yeah. You good now. Your mic does, yeah, I have a gain knob and I just wanted to say, it's not that, like I'm telling you, my oldest one, she didn't know how to use this because I got rid of the old setup and she didn't know how to use it. So she just turned all the audio back to like, I think she just reset it to default, everything. Can hear a little popping. There should be zero popping, you know? There should be no or Mary Poppins. We shouldn't hear none of that. We shouldn't hear any none of that. We shouldn't hear no music cracking. Like the music sounds staticky in my ear. Stop touching your knob. Man. Tall order. That's hard. That's hard. A ceasefire has been declared in Gaza. It's yeah, better than no ceasefire, I guess. Yeah. Damn, I feel like that, man. P5 full fum. Who's been fucking with my drum? This is bullshit. Y'all all grounded when I'm done. I'm gonna be knitting sweaters in Pelican Bay when I'm through with you. Matter of fact, where's my belt? Wait. Wait, bro. I don't even know how to use this shit, you see? How did Dad be doing this shit in the movies? Damn, they heard that shit. They vacuuming the baby over there doing dishes. They asking for Windex. I better watch the car next. Oh man. Nah. This is one household where nobody puts their hands on each other. You know why? Because there's this fucking referee slash umpire that walks around the house 24/7. And like if somebody pushes somebody, he's over there. Bro, it's just he walked over. What you doing? What you doing? He doesn't like it when the kids are beefing. He hops in there on top, right in the middle. Benny, you're so cute right now. Why are you making noises? Boy. Don't hate me. My dad had a shaped mahogany 2x4 paddle. That's a shitty memory to have. He wants a Scooby snack? No, he wants Scooby. That's the snack. He's yawning and he's like doing all these sounds like I think that's him asking me for bro, you're 130 pounds. There's no way you're climbing on here. There's no way. Nope. Nope. Not gonna happen. You dog. Me, Tarzan, you dog. Can I help you? What's up? Oh. Plug it, Benny. Run the rest of the stream. My oldest brother used to hit us, and my step pops would hold my brother down, and we would get free hits on him because of it. What are you, the fucking Menendez brothers, bro? What the fuck is going on in these households? What is going on, bro? Yeah, this sounds like a long forgotten, like deep, like rooted memory that you locked away for a long time. You just been waiting to share that shit with somebody. This is not on the live stream, bro. Therapist. Yeah, Why? Next thing you know, some people gonna be here. Like, hey, while we're at confessing shit, I just murdered somebody 3 days ago, bro. He learned to not hit us. LOL. True. I thought we was just sharing shit. I gotta go fish. What's up, chat? Came by for a quick hello. We are. We are sharing. Yo, what are you doing, bro? This dog. Unbelievable. Nah, no, you gotta go. Watch out. Watch out. Hey. Stop. Stop. No. Really, stop. Go. 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 Go be a dog. Go be a dog, bro. Go bark at some shit. Stop. Look, Benny, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it right there. It's a tennis ball. Get it. It's gonna attack. It's gonna attack. Oh man, so we've come down here heavy. We've made a low. I expect some kind of retest of this low before an actual drive. So I'd expect the market to come down here a bit before driving. I did not expect to create a support here at this random ass level, but okay. Oh, now he's fucking being a. I told him to be a dog. He's over there barking. Be good? Okay. Now you want to share? Maybe pass the J? No, I don't like the J. I'm looking to see what we're gonna do here. Because if we were coming down from here, we are closing above. If we can hold this level and then break these highs, there's a likelihood we come up here. So I think that's the better level. Yeah, if we can get above 40.48, I'll look for buys. Or if we can come back down here to 40.28 area and hold the support, I'll also look for buys. Right now, if we get a strong bearish closure on a 30, next candle is going to need a bottom wick. So if we can get a strong bearish closure top wick I'll look to get some sells to get that bottom wick for the next hourly candle. Okay, I'll stop talking to myself now. Thank you. Thank you, Thomas. May I ask you what you are waiting for? I just explained 2 minutes ago. Rewind. I'd like to tap 4048.7 here. I'd also like to either close above it or get a strong bearish closure here at resistance for this 1 hour. I believe the next hour is going to need a bottom wick if it's to drive up. So if we get a top wick first, maybe we can look to sell here off this 30-minute onion to retest the lows here. It's about 200 pips down, so 140 pips down from now. So maybe that's possible. We'll see. What's up, Jorge? Yeah, we've kind of like restarted the stream a few times. I gotta leave a bit early. We started it early, so I mean, we'll see what happens. Very bullish on the day. Very bullish. We've been bullish. Nothing's changed. All right, look at this. Look how we closed. We made this bottom wick. But if we get these closures below 40.28, I don't mind looking at some sells as well. The 15 is just closed, right? So we don't have a top wick on the 15. And this can get interesting because if it holds bearish here, maybe the next 15, which will be next 30, next hourly, we'll look for some sells. And if it doesn't, if it makes this bottom wick here and starts pulling up and gets us a closure above 40.48, we'll probably be looking for some buys in the next hour to start looking to flip the 4 hour and the daily bullish, right? I know spot 4 hour will close right now, but that is not the case for futures. What are you waiting for? Oh my God. I'm tired. I got this joint over here that I don't know, like, this joint is on fire. This joint is on fire. set up. I set up missed it. Yo, Wix, are you materialistic? No, I don't like vegetables. No. Of course not. I'm Jewish. I have like 2 years now since I started watching. So, what do you really do with your money, Wix? See? I got this weird thing. It's called kids. It's the strange, weirdest thing ever. It all goes there. Between raisin and you know, providing for them, there's piano lessons, volleyball lessons, there's schools, there's aftercares, there's parks, there's travel, vacation, like clothing, like it's like each kid. Okay, let me put it in your terms. How old are you? If you're under 25, if you're over 25, each kid is basically an RM, right? But if you're under 20, each kid is basically a Lambo. If you're like 18 and under, each kid's basically a Lambo. I got 3 of them upstairs. Sorry, I gotta step out of the smoke. I'm taking you guys with me. We figured out how to do this mic the right way, right? So now you guys can come with me. No fucking way, chat. Oh, we Gucci. I thought I lit the wrong end of the joint. That would have sucked. Hey, you know what's crazy? Gang, we just got to 27K subs. 27,001. Thank you guys. 27,000. We just hit 27K here on stream. Appreciate everybody showing up. Promise you I'll get this YouTube going. We growing, yeah. Dragging the studio mic around with you. And I just swung it on the swing arm to the other end. It's closer to the door, so I can like be like 1 foot in, 1 foot out. You know what I mean? I was gonna say something, but like better left unsaid. Yo, I swear, this mic, this shit's like a crane. You ever see those construction sites with the crane that just be swinging? Lower, beep, beep, shh, beep. Man, I would have loved this as a toy when I was younger. You deserve a million, but remember us when you go Hollywood. Tell me about it. Him and Damo not cool. I got no issues with Damo, man. That's my boy. Picking up, putting down. Okay. Minutes. What do we say, right? This would have to close here, or it's gonna pull up, close above, and like we get what we want, we get what we don't want. Let's see. I really feel like we need to come down here and retest some of these lows, right? If not all the way down to 28, so at least these areas, right? Where this wick came down to. Uh-oh, hold on a second, chat. So apparently, they built houses in Roblox, and one of my kids ran into the other one's house, locked her out, and trashed it while this one was away, and then she ruined her house. And I was like, ruined your room? Like, she ruined the room? She's like, no, she ruined my house. She destroyed my house. And they're crying over, like, destroying each other's houses in Roblox. I guess I understand. I guess. Yeah, she'll do crazy shit. She'll be like, hey, you want to go to the pool? And this one will get dressed, go to the pool, jump in, and this one doesn't go. She just goes into Roblox and trashes this one's house. Like, in real life. Like, yo, I spend an annual salary on Robux. Like, y'all go out to the club and throw money at strippers? I buy skins and items in Robux. In Roblox. Like, we've definitely paid one of their employees 401k, maybe two of them, with our Roblox funds. It's crazy because people be showing up in school. They told me, they're like, yo, like kids, young kids, they show up in school and they be selling their skins. They be selling what they built. They be selling what they got, the toys, the super pets or whatever they have. And they be selling it in school in between like each other. They be like, yo, it's crazy. They told me there's some kids in school, like 2 or 3 kids in school that are making bank. Just, 40, 50 per skin. And these kids don't know. Like, they ask their parents, like, hey, can I have $30? Can I have $40? Parents be like, oh, where you want to go eat? You're going to go eat, Timmy? You're going to go to the steakhouse, Timmy? Yeah, ma, steakhouse. Get these Robux, bitch. Did your daughters go through the Labubu phase? Yo, they got 2 Labubu outfits. The 7 and the 6-year-old, that they're big pink outfits. They look like Teletubbies. It's a full bodysuit, furry bodysuit. And for the first 2 days, they slept in them. With the little ears, and all there is just a face. It's a full bodysuit, and all you see is just their face. It's fucking adorable, but it's no. Traumatic childhood memory. I don't know. I feel like we're gonna come up here. I feel like we're gonna end up closing above. If we come down here, ideally we can form a bottom wick first, then come up, break these highs, and then come down. But this hourly is closing bullish, and they're 4 hours closing bear. I would rather look for buys. See what happens. Oh, there it is, coming back up. You just remember what I did with my joint? Oh wait, I can't leave right now. The hourly closed bullish, making this bottom wick first. We can get a closure above here. I'll look for buys. Nice if we get a bottom wick right now first without coming up for a top wick. Or without coming up to rebreak highs first. All right, all right. Orders grabbed. Can we come up? Yeah, there's volume. I just don't trust the sales, man. Too smart with it, for real? A little entrepreneur? Yeah. I feel like we can reject any moment. How much did they give you? Oh, wow. These ranges are so big, that just gives it to you anyway. 34 pips right there. Lovely on the onion. 15 faked out. No, 15 did not fake out. Close me above. Google phase was wild. Was? What you mean was? It is. Everybody in the school will be having Lewis. There goes. There goes the onion. Don't trust the cells, man. I feel like we can reject here. Feel like it. These feelings. These feelings. We don't want feelings. Looks good if you make it look like this. It look great when you look at it like this. But I do have to say, never mind. I would be wrong if I say it. I gotta leave in like half hour, but I want to get some positions in. I think we should have been in there. Stop. Jesus. What was current candle? 56. Tough. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be there against the bias. 56 pips. No, sir. Maybe it gets to our original buy limit down here. Possible. Possible. Would be a hefty stop here. Wow, my sound is screwed. It's really not nice. Something's messed up. Yeah, massive push. I didn't realize the ranges are this big, but the ranges are this big. This is terrible. Decision making time, up or down. If we can hold again, we'll look for another bullish closure here, similar to the previous 15. If it doesn't hold and comes down here, we'll have a buy limit. Give me a sec, chat. I want to run to the bathroom before this comes down for 200 pips. So. First bearish day in a while after ceasefire news. Maybe 69 pip push down, walked away. Yeah, buys are scary there. A lot of volume, a lot of momentum. They just tapped the most recent. It could bounce, it could break straight through here. Like this, a lot of range here, right? This wick at some point should get filled. Probably next candle. Right, because if it closed like this, it's a bearish 4-hour closure, probably filling the wick to move down here. Yeah, this was a good sell here. Looking hindsight, the 30 onion here. Figured we got a tap level up here. Oh, fell. Never got that top wick up there. Maybe if we got that break of the highs here and then a flip down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Back down, back down. Just a little bit. What do you guys want to do? Should I call it a stream at 9:30 or do you want me to leave the stream running and come back at like 10:15, 10:20? But then again, like when I come back, if there's nothing, we'll just call it. But maybe it'll play out. Maybe things will already play out by then. Back. Yeah. I have to come back here anyway because I gotta schedule tomorrow's session. Yeah, I didn't want to take the sell because I thought we might flip at any time. Yeah, and we did. After driving down for 111 pips, we're finally coming back up to this area. Oh man, I think we need another Asian session tomorrow. Not gonna lie, I gotta figure out. I'm gonna come back to this. I gotta figure out what's wrong. Like something went wrong with the sound. 15's closed. 30's about to flip bullish. I'd love it to be a probably going to be a bearish flip and then a rebreak of the highs, but I can't bank on it. The hourly's going to flip bullish here. There it goes. This can close up above here, not just break the high, but just get a closure above here, right? Because right now the 15 doesn't have a bottom wick, but if this can come up and close above here on the 15, that would be a 30 closure above the range. And then I would look for the next candle bottom wick, and maybe not even a bottom wick, just drive straight up. Break at highs. First, we got to close above and then break at highs of the candle that closes above, not this candle. Because this could just be a top wick for this 15 and we could be filling the wick and heading down. Could be both. Could flip bearish, give a little bit, and then come back up. Gonna wait for closures. Sorry, I'm in a not too distant space. Open. What was the trade that took off stream? 4060.9 down here. Around 315, somewhere here. So one of these bottom wicks. Right here, 4060.9, somewhere right there off that level as it came down, bounced, and bounced up. 207, somewhere, I think it was this bottom wick right here. Yeah, pretty sure 215, 7, 60.9. This was entry right here. Oh, wait. This was the trade. But you get the idea right there. Right there. This was the trade, like this. This candle. I closed it at like 20 pips. It ran for a lot. Yeah, stop was somewhere here, I believe. This was stop, tapped, and it just went straight up. Can't see anything? What does that mean, can't see anything? I mean, I know what it means, but why can't you see anything? $30 salary play, right? Like 30's moved up. Can we get these closures above? Will we come back down? He blind. He ain't got your glasses on. It's crazy. Took the same trade and got 60 pips. You a savage. Savage. It's not crazy. There's probably like a million other people that took a position at that same level. Probably. Oh no. I don't trust none of this price action. None of this. Six minutes for this closure, but I gotta run in 6 minutes. I like this pancakes. Thank you. You're welcome. Leave a tip. Gold comes down to 4,000 on futures while I'm catching Z's. I'm gonna be tight. Send you a screenshot. The best we can do. What's up with these 300 pip bounces each way? Like randomly. Asian session, 300 down, 300 up, 300 down. It's ain't like it's uncharted territory. We've been here. WTF. What are you doing? Yo, I think the Yankees are playing tonight. You know who cares? Almost nobody. But I'm curious. Or is it over? Yeah, I think it's over. Fuck it. There it goes. There it is. There it is. Yeah, hold on. Let me go tell my kids that. This is an interesting level. It was scary as it was coming down, all right? Refilling. But we said this candle's probably going to need a bottom wick before coming up. Matt, remember top wick entries? This would have sucked. Well, where's it going, man? Please update session trades. There are no session trades. Oh, you want me to get rid of the session trades? Yeah. Fine. I was trying to ride these 26 out, see where it takes me. I gotta be honest with y'all. I'm probably not gonna keep this running because I think I'm gonna be gone for a lot longer. I might be gone for like a good couple of hours. I want to leave this running. Man, a lovely bounce here. How big was that stop? 27 pips on a bullish day, right? But the 4 hour, this is a tough read. I don't know if I could have made that read or if I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit at this point here. No daily level there, right? Like if you look at here, look at where the daily level is down here, right? Like you want to be in somewhere there. And that's kind of where we were looking at positions here, right here. 14, maybe about 20 pips above the daily. Somewhere here would have been the sweet spot. Very interesting. Hold on, Chunky Monkey. Give me a second. All right? Give me a sec. By the way, are you dressed? You ready? Want to come with me? Okay, that's cool. We could do it together. Yeah, there's nothing to take here. The rebreak at a highs. Maybe. Here's what I would do. If it comes down and gives a bottom wick here, breaks the highs, I'm not going to take that. I'll wait for it to pull back again to re-break the bottom wick, and then I'll put a buy stop. I think a lot of people have buy stops here. I believe a lot of people have buy stops here. And it might drive. If it flips right now and drives without us, then great. I just don't think it will. But it might. Yeah. It does, great. Big as this wick. A lot of range in these places. 23 pips. I think it's going to flip, come up here, and come right back down and re-break the lows. There it goes. You see that? It flipped, and it's going to come right back down, re-break the lows. Might even do that on the break of the highs. A lot of people have buys here. I wanted to come back down. If it re-breaks the lows here, I'll set a buy stop on the break of the highs. If it could come back down, re-break the lows, I'll set a buy stop. If it doesn't, if it pumps up, I'll just call it a session. It's just a lot of pippage. 40 pips. I believe it still needs a bottom wick here. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. And it'll be session that way. Oh, there it goes. There it doesn't. Maybe it's a good thing because we got to go. What's a 15-minute FVG? What's the halfway point of a 15-minute FVG? Yeah, throw this out, please. Or you could finish it, but throw it out. Hi to your beautiful daughter. Hi, my beautiful daughter. Yeah, throw that out. You threw it out? Huh? Good job. Oh, careful. Don't spill it. That would be bad. Yeah, if it breaks the high and if it just goes here, then without re-breaking the low. I mean, what's this? It's a 40 pip stop. If you're thinking of entering, this is the time. Like, if you don't want to miss it, but there's a chance that it comes back down, re-breaks the lows. I'm not going to be in it. I'm probably going to call it a session here. She's waiting on me. And somebody's saying hi. Wave, you want to wave? We lost our front two teeth. Look how beautiful it is. Smile. There you go. And there that goes. Flippity pippity pop. 41. Gang, yeah, I'm gonna call it a session here. I'm not feeling this. And congrats to anybody that got positions here. I just gotta run. I'm not fully into this. So I would feel wrong taking a position when I'm not, at 100%, dedication and clarity and prioritizing this. Congrats to anybody that got a W there. Thank you guys for showing up and vibing out. Now we figured out that we have sound issues, right? Otherwise, we'd be spending all this time on tomorrow's stream. So I guess there's a benefit in that. Thank you guys for coming through. We'll be live, same time, same place as always, 8 a.m. sharp tomorrow morning, New York session. It's only Thursday tomorrow, only Thursday. So should be a good session. I'll see you guys there. I got to run. And hopefully I can come back here and fix the sound before tomorrow's stream. Okay, gang. That's my time. Gotta run. And just like that, another Asian session is in the books. Yeah. Finally. You said finally, I'm done. All right.